What's up, everybody? It's Stacy Will. This is Ride to Food, and welcome to the Mama Tried Motorcycle Show. What's up, everybody? This is Stacy Will. We just got up to Milwaukee for the Mama Tried Motorcycle Show. There's so much snow here. I've never seen this much snow on the ground in my life. So while we're in Milwaukee this weekend, we're gonna give you guys a little tour of the town. We're also gonna go do some motorcycle stuff. We gotta go get checked into this Airbnb and then we'll start partying. Harleys, you've got Triumphs, you've got bikes. You don't even know what they started out as. The frames are fully built out and customized. And it's the middle of winter and there's hundreds if not thousands of people that come in for this show. So it's a great variety of people and bikes, and overall it's just a really good time. When the showroom gets packed, we head out. And our first stop is the Milwaukee Public Market. My go-to spot is the St. Paul Fish Market in the back of the public market. It's always busy, always has fresh seafood, and their lobster rolls are comparable to what you can find in New England. Next on our list is Lakefront Brewery. Milwaukee is nicknamed the Brew Town, so we have to stop by a local brewery while we're here. If you have time, be sure to stop in for a brewery tour, and if you don't, at least stop in for a cold beer, some food, and check out one of their Milwaukee fish fries that they do on Fridays. It is a tradition in the town. Back at the show, things have wound down, giving us a little bit of time to hang out with friends and check out a few more bikes before the day's over.
Sunday Funday. We're going to do exactly what we came here to do, and that's explore the city and eat some food. There's only one place to go in Milwaukee for Bloody Marys, and that's Sobelman's.
Do you have to eat your way down to drink?
No, we're not.
Okay.
over to the Vanguard. Just got some late night brats and hot dogs. They serve pretty late. And it's about 11 p.m. So we're gonna grab some snacks and head back over to our Airbnb. Milwaukee is known for its brats. However, the Vanguard has come up with dozens of their own renditions of the bratwurst, and they make all of their sausages in-house. It's our final day in Milwaukee before we have to head back to Denver. So we're gonna go right back where the party started, and that's Fuel Cafe.
Fuel opens super early every day. There's a coffee shop at the front of the place, and then if you walk to the back, they've got a full bar and restaurant, serving breakfast and dinner foods all day. If you're into any kind of motorcycles, especially racing, flat track, or MotoGP, or anything of the sort, Fuel Cafe has to be on your stop list while you're here. All right, we just stopped into Fuel for brunch. We've got one more stop to go to before we have to catch our flight back to Colorado. So we'll show you where the next spot is here in a bit. There's one spot you have to go in Milwaukee if you love Harley-Davidson motorcycles, and that's the Harley-Davidson Museum. Be sure to schedule at least 4 hours into your day to see the Harley Museum. There's so much history and so much to see and learn that you're not going to be able to get through the museum in just an hour. And the Motor Bar and restaurant's right across the way, so if you need a couple beers before you head out to the airport for your flight, it'll be a perfect stop, or if you're hungry, they've got really good food too. One day they'll let me in there. Check. Alright you guys, that's all the adventuring we have for now. We've got a plane to catch, we gotta get out of here. Be sure to like this video, subscribe if you want to see more, follow us on Instagram at Ride to Food, and we'll see you on the road. Later.